We are boarding the ferry from Fethiye and headed to Rhodes.
Let's go, guys. We are gonna go for about a week, but there are people who do this as a day trip as well.
Just a pro tip, I probably wouldn't take suitcases. I think the people that have like backpacks and duffel bags are managing a bit easier. Suitcases are fine, but it is kind of cumbersome to carry these things around.
If you have a big suitcase, they have a spot like this, but it's not going to be like the airport. You have to do this.
I think you should get a window seat.
Sure.
Sure.
This is how the ferry looks. It looks like a mix between train and a bus. They do have a small cafe looking thing back there. Lots of life jackets. Hopefully we don't have to use it today. And Megan is right here. Let's see what's back here. This is the storage. They have a pretty clean bathroom. Here's the bathroom, toilet.
Yeah.
This is back here. This is where we got them from. And I guess this is the smoking area. By the way, guys, the Migros boat, the orange one that you see there, it's a floating supermarket. What they do in Fethiye during summer is go around the sea, and you know, if you're in a boat, you can buy literally anything you want. The first time I saw that, I thought it was pretty cool. Ferry is finally moving.
Taking off a little later than expected. We're taking off about 7 minutes after our scheduled departure.
Maybe he's gonna race in the middle of the ocean. I think our AC is getting turned. That is amazing. I'm actually surprised this thing moves pretty fast. Do you think this is gonna go this fast?
No, and it's pretty
choppy, yeah?
choppy. So if you are inclined for seasickness, definitely take Dramamine or whatever remedy you choose. It is a very calm day out on the water, and it is already getting to me.
It feels nice though, guys. I like it. It's like in a swing. Hey, it looks like we arrived. What do you think?
Almost. We're getting close.
It's time to head out now. How long do you think it took us?
I think it was exactly 2 hours. The amount of people that were getting seasick was kind of crazy. So definitely, guys, I have this little like wristband thing that I actually held up pretty good on the trip, but there was a lot of people that did not. So be prepared. All right, our time in Rhodes is wrapping up. It is time for us to catch the ferry and get back to Turkey. We're standing in line now to check in. This was awesome. I really enjoyed the time. I ate so much cheese. I feel so, my stomach feels a little sick, but I feel really fulfilled, and I just ate really good food. It was a great trip. Still small.
Yeah, we're not sure which one is our boat, but I hope it's the small one over here. Looks quite fun. The one we came here in was actually pretty big, like twice this size, but this one is pretty small. We loaded our bag here.
I think it might get some water on it.
Oh, I don't know. I think it's okay.
It won't fall off the boat?
No water? No water, right? No water, yes. Oh, okay, thanks. Where did we go? I guess here. It's a small cafe. Way better seats, right? Let's sit here. I think this is the best spot.
Okay.
It's a nice little ferry. It looked interesting from the outside, but from inside, way better than the one we came in. And the seats are actually comfortable.
And we have a little tray table. We didn't have that on the last one.
Yeah, we didn't have it on the last one. It looks amazing outside. There's the medieval city and ton of boats parked over there.
All right, well, thank you so much for watching along and joining us in Rhodes. We hope you enjoyed half as much as we did and look forward to when we bring you back to Rhodes. Until then, please like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for next week's video.